process cannot be completed, and there will be a big hurdle, because if the people are not knowing that what is going into the process, okay, then it will stop all the business over there. So business reporting plays a very much important role in a business processes over there. And then there are like three parts of this chapter. Second thing is the visual analytics and the businesses we have it over here. And the third one, we will talk about the performance management over here. So these are the three important topics we will be covering in chapter number 3. If you have any question in chapter number 2, you can ask. Okay, if there is anything is unclear or anything doubt, you have it. I hope you have done all the case studies, so it will be more clearer about chapter number 2. Okay, what is the learning objectives of this chapter? Okay, why we will study this chapter? What is the need of this chapter in business intelligence over there? Yes, do you have any question? Okay. The first learning objective is to define business reporting. Like, what is a business reporting basically is, you might have some like a clue about business reporting in communication, business communication 1 and 2 over there. Yeah, it is similar like that one, but with the, we will give in touch it with the business analytics, that how it is a part of business analytics. And we will also understand his historical evolution, that how historically it came into being, and why it becomes the part of the businesses over there. And then we will also see the recognize the need for and the power of business reporting, that how powerful is business reporting and what is the need for it. And then we will understand the importance of the data visualization and information visualizations in business intelligence over there, and learn different types of visualization techniques we have it, what are the different visualization techniques we have it, and appreciate the value that visual analytics brings to the BI and the business analytics or business intelligence. And moreover, because there are three parts, so other learning objectives are like capabilities of and limitation of dashboard. Okay, so you already know what is a dashboard. Last time in chapter number 1, I show you practically what is dashboard and how it works. Okay, and what is the need of the dashboards over there. But there are some certain capabilities and limitation of the dashboard as well. So next thing is about, like, we will learn about BPM. So what is a BPM? I think in the quiz also, I think you had a BPM. Was there any question in the quiz, BPM?
Yes, it was, I think, the performance business management.
Yeah, okay, right. Yeah, that was one of the question as well. So in the chapter number 1, we had this one. Yeah. So since it was a random, maybe some of them you received this question, but some of you might not have received this question because it was from the pool. Yeah. So yeah. So there are other. Yes. Okay. Batul, she also received this question, and Sarah also. Okay. So today in this chapter number 3, we will learn more about it. So since in chapter number 1 it was just the intro, what is a business performance management, but in this chapter we will know about the technicalities of how we can improve the business performances and what are the tools for it. What is a Six Sigma? What is a scorecard? What are the different elements we have it in the BPM? And then we will also learn about the closed loop BPM methodology, some of the methodology which is relevant to the BPM, and describe the basic elements of balanced scorecards. So scorecards are most important thing in measuring the performance of a business over there. So these are the learning objectives of this chapter. So since every chapter has an opening case study, so you can choose any of the case study for your graded assignment. Okay, so this is different case studies. For example, this case study is about definitely about self-service reporting environment. Service saves millions for corporate customers. So that it says that how the reporting is important and how you can save your customer. Okay, so you see. There are some questions like, what does travel and transport and corporation do? Describe the complexity and the competitive nature of business environment in which travel and transportation functions. What were the main business challenges in this case study? how was the solution, what was the solution, and how was it implemented. I know that that now you are able to answer these kind of questions after reading the case studies. Okay, so just to have a curiosity and to have to initiate your heuristics, I just want to read this question to know that what we gonna have in this chapter. Why do you think multi-vendor, multi-tool solution was implemented? List and comment on three main benefits of implemented systems over there. So these kind of questions is relevant to the reporting, which is of high importance for customer, for business processes.